highlights the tension between our earnest intentions and the reality of human frailty, served as a poignant reminder of how, despite our best intention, we can falter under pressure. Reflecting on Matthew 26 verse 34, mga classmates, where Jesus predicts Peter's denial, we see a profound insight into the dangers of overconfidence. Peter's unwavering belief in his steadfastness leads him to underestimate the challenges ahead. This narrative cautions us against placing too much trust in our own strength without recognizing our vulnerabilities. This is very similar to us, mga classmates, humans, especially when we need to stand as witness against a crime or wrongful persecution or injustice, yet we choose to lie because we either don't want to get involved, don't want the hassle, or are fearful of the repercussions or retaliation. Ironically, Philippines is the largest Christian country in Asia. Perpetrators get away with their crimes. Being an honest witness is very important, mga classmates, because as they say, evil flourishes when good people do nothing.